It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A very simple makeup, but beautiful one. Why is she only saying beautiful? Yeah, I know it's going to be beautiful. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right. Yeah. First of all, I'm going to be combing my brows. You know, I don't do makeup without combing my brows. Just like comb it upward again. Yeah, I have a mirror with me, which I'm going to be using. So now I have my pencil, eyebrow pencil with me. Yeah, so I'm just going to be taking it the line. You see that? Into my concealer, so I'm going in with this shade at the up and this shade at the downward. So just like, yeah. My eyeshadow. Yeah, before I forgot, I wanted to try something out. Yeah, so I wanted to try like apply concealer on my brush, just like this. Yeah, just apply it on my brush like this. You understand? Yeah. My baby is here, and then just use it to comb my brows. You see that? Yes, Bongo. Yeah, so I'm still going to be doing the same thing on the other side today, just to do my eyelid. Yeah, this one. I decided to go with the pink one, which is this pink one. I'm going with it. So without wasting much time, just dip my brush in it, and then just like, you see, I take it around and just like that. Then dip more, do the same thing. Yeah. To darken the eyelid. Yeah. My baby is she's here and she's giving me a hard time. Ladies in the house, like if you want to do your makeup, where do you keep your baby? Just write it in the comment section, please. Really, I want to know, because Ma is giving me hard time. See that with the two at the upper side, I blend it together, just like this. You see that? Do you see that? See how beautiful it looks? Because she's going to be stopping me, I just continue with what I'm doing. To be applying this color you just see here. This is it wine or red? No, not red, but wine. Yeah, I'm going to be applying this one on neck. So yeah, with my mirror again, this time I take with the brush, just like dab it in, just dab. I want to apply the black shade on the corner of the eye, which I've already started before. Just like this, drag. The first color I used before, like to blend get dry, just like this. So guys, you're going to be applying my mascara on it, on my eyelash. Just take it upward and so the up one is dropping. Just take it around my face, also to my neck. I'm going to be using my Miracle Mash foundation. Yeah, just apply. And now I'm going to be applying my concealer on my under eye. Yeah, before I use my dab, like I dab, and as you can see, just dab in. I just with a little force, I dab in. Just like this. Just now, drag it round, then like this. See that? And then the other side, just do the same. Yeah, blush is so beautiful. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. You see that? So guys, I'm going in with this highlight. Yeah. So I'm just going to be tapping a little bit. Just 1, 2, 3. And then just take it. You see? So I don't want it too much today. Just a little bit of it. Ooh. So guys, this is the finished look. This is the finished look of the makeup. Yeah, hope you like. Yeah guys, this is the finished look of the makeup. I hope you like it guys. Please, if you do, give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then when you subscribe, you see a bell notification behind it there. Please also please hit the bell notification on the upper side so that you'll be notified every time and anytime your girl upload a new video. Thank you guys. Bye.